Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your email address on Violet Gray. If you don't have a Violet Gray account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on the profile icon. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for edit. Click on the edit button. Now, you will see a section for email address. On the field provided, remove your current email address. After that, enter the new email you wish to use, then enter it again to confirm email. In order to save your changes, confirm your password on the field provided. Lastly, click on Save Details. That's how you change your email address on Violet Gray. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.